How to play Roblox on Chromebook Web Store. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll explore the possibility of playing Roblox on the Chromebook Web Store. So if you are unable to access the Roblox website or download the Roblox on your Chromebook, you may want to consider visiting the Chromebook Web Store, which is also known as the Chrome Web Store, in order to download Roblox from there. However, it is important to note that while there are various Roblox-related extensions available in the store if you search for Roblox, most of them are designed to enhance your Roblox experience rather than allow you to play the game directly from the store or any other website. Therefore, currently, the only option to play Roblox is by downloading it from the official website, that is roblox.com, or to simply download the game. Playing the game becomes impossible without downloading it. This video aims to clarify that playing Roblox without downloading it from the official website is not feasible. If this information has addressed any queries you had, please consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. Happy gaming and see you in the next video.